Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll be showing you how to insert a picture into Google Docs if it's a picture you already have saved to your computer or if it's a picture that you saved from the web. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below if it's helped you at all, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So a couple things before I actually begin. One being, I just want to do a quick overview of what this channel is all about. I do Windows 10 tutorials, I do internet tutorials, email, Google Drive tutorials, Docs tutorials, just tutorials in general, walkthrough guides, whatever you may think of. But I'm looking to expand, so if you have a question about something, comment down below. If you want to learn something, if it's software related, hardware related, it doesn't matter. I'm here to help out, and I want to assist the best I can. So definitely comment down below if you can think of anything that you may want to learn about, and I'll do my best to assist. I'll make a video on it. And the other thing is that I appreciate everything you guys have been doing, supporting my channel. I've been growing just a little bit, and I do appreciate it, so thank you for that. I appreciate it. And let's just begin. So, inserting a picture to Google Docs. Why would you want to do that? So if you're a student, if you have a friend or a teacher, whoever, and you want to share a document, but you want to include something, you want them to see a picture, a meme, whatever the case may be, this is the easiest and probably the only way to do it. I don't know many ways to do this. This is probably the only way to import pictures into Google Docs. So let's just begin. I want you to jump into a web browser, and just go to google.com. I want to show you first how to save an image from the web to import to Google Docs. I touched on this on one of my first videos, but it's just a good refresher for everyone who's new to the channel. So if you want to save a picture first from the web, just go to google.com, go to images. Google Images pops up. I just want you to search for anything. Maybe it's a meme that you can think of, maybe it's a dog or a cat or whatever the case may be that you want to search for. I'm just going to search for cat. All right. You want to click on the picture you want. So let's just say this one. A little preview pops up on the right hand side. Just right click the picture with your mouse and click on Save Image As right here. From here, File Explorer pops up, and I want you to click on the picture folder, which is the fifth one down, right here, and I want you to hit Save. Now, you may already have pictures in your pictures folder, which is great. This is just showing you, I guess, two ways. The first way being how to import a picture from the web to Google Docs, and I'll show you how to import it if you already have pictures. So this is how you save pictures from the web. I'm just going to hit Save. Picture saved, as you can see. So now I'll click off this. I'll click on the Google logo right here, top left-hand corner. And I'm going to click on Sign In because now we're going to sign into our Google account, our Google Drive, and we're going to import some pictures. I'm going to hit Sign In. And I'm going to click on My Account. It may ask you to sign in with your account, or you may already be signed in, which is totally fine. Type in my password here. All right, once you're signed in, you're going to click on the square right here, Google Apps. Scroll down and click on Docs, blue piece of paper. All right, right here you'll be presented with the Google Doc example pages. Now you may already have a doc created and you just want to import the picture, which they'll be right here, recent documents if you already made a document. But I'm just going to work with a blank document for now, so I'm going to click on blank. All right, so now we're in the blank Google document, and to insert a picture, let's say if it's this one that you made a new document, or if you're in the middle of creating a document, just any document you have open, just click on Insert for me. Put your mouse on Image, and then click Upload from Computer. So Windows Explorer pops up again, and I want you to click on Pictures, the picture folder, 5th one down. Now here, if you have pictures already saved from beforehand, this is where they should be, depending if you have them in your pictures folder or not. I do. So here is the cat picture that we saved. Like I said, you may have many, many more, totally fine. Click on the picture you want, it'll turn blue, the background, have a check mark next to it. Then just click on Open. As you can see, it imported the picture into Google Docs. Now, if you click on the picture itself, you'll see this white arrow up and down, left and right. Click on the picture, and it has this blue border around it. Now you can resize the picture. If you go down to any square, I'll go to this one. It shows the white arrows. Hold your mouse in, and now you can drag to make the picture smaller. You can drag to make it bigger. You can drag it to kind of squish it. And then you can also drag it down to make it smaller. So yeah, so that's how you import a picture, any picture, to Google Doc. Now that you have your picture set and you want to send it to somebody, excuse me, just click on Share right here, top right hand corner. Give it whatever name you want. I'll name it Cat. I'll hit Save. Here, enter the email addresses that you would like to share it to. So, test Gmail. Oops. Test account. Okay. So just add the email addresses you would like to share it to, and just hit send, and then those people will get the document with the cat picture, whatever picture you imported. So hopefully that helped, guys. That's how you import a picture to Google Docs. Comment down below if this helps you. I know it's an easy video. Some people already know how to do this, but there's a lot of people who don't, and they need just a refresher on Google Docs and Google Drive and how to work with it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Give this video a like, thumb it up, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.